Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you my rim and tire upgrade on my 2010 Jeep Patriot. This Patriot is at stock height. It came with 17-inch rims. I went down to a 15-inch rim with a 225/70/15 tire. The local tire shop told me I couldn't go to a 15 because the calipers wouldn't clear. They were wrong. I did my own measuring and I have plenty of clearance. I have a nice aggressive wide stance here. They're about a 3-inch negative offset. And yeah, I think it ended up looking pretty good. And I'm anxious to see how it's going to be in the snow. These are snow tires with they're Avalanche Extreme Hercules snow tires with no studs. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. I know there's a Patriot following out there. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. So thanks for watching.